Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us at the Dubai AI Festival. Today I'm excited to share how our Presight Synergy, which is our flagship product that we have launched recently, can transform your data, can accelerate AI adoption, and gain real-time intelligence. Now, first, a bit about us. Presight, we are a G42 company, AI native. We are specialized in applied intelligence for enterprises and for the government. We are based in Abu Dhabi with global presence in 4 continents and 15 countries. Okay. You have possibly seen us in public services, in finance, in education, smart city, and in energy. Our mission is simple. We enable better decisions, and we boost operational efficiencies, and we create lasting impact. Now let's start with the common challenges for any enterprise data and AI in the world. Here, apparently, all organizations face a common, technology landscape, which is every day, every week, everything we have, and we hear a new thing. Okay? So knowing that 90% of the data has been generated in the last 2 years, and only 15% of the enterprises successfully scale AI due to complex integrations, this is a bit scary. Okay? Needless to talk about the integration bottlenecks that we have and the high operational cost to run an AI within a secured environment. Now, what do enterprises need? Enterprises need a single, scalable, and secure platform to unify data, to unify AI, and to unify business intelligence at once. Early this year, Presight has launched its proprietary data analytics and AI platform. It's a unified data platform end-to-end. It's designed and developed entirely here in UAE, supporting the national digital independence. It is enterprise ecosystem, enterprise grade. The Gen AI has been implemented across all the platform components. It's modern, it's modular, it's scalable, and most importantly, it is designed around security and governance from the ground up. Now, the Presight Synergy platform sits on and stands on 3 main pillars. We do have, as we said, the Synergy data, which manages the data operations end-to-end. The Synergy AI covers the AI lifecycle, AI models, and AI use cases. Synergy BI provides an embedded business intelligence and self-services. Now, all these 3 pillars are sitting on the same unified common security and governance framework. So let's explore each pillar, its features, its capabilities one by one. Starting with the Synergy data. Synergy data sits at the core of the platform, providing centralized data lakehouse that ingests, normalizes structured data and unstructured data from all sources, from all databases, object stores, and files into a single trusted repository. Okay. Now, it has the AI-assisted and the low-code data pipeline creation capabilities. It has the federated query capability simply to eliminate the machine learning, manual work, and to automate it. It supports different and diversified file formats to handle all workloads. It supports real-time and batch data processing. Data quality is a crucial piece. We always considering it a lot, especially on the row-level security. The role-based and the classification of the data policies always considered and in place. The SQL and Python transforms in every pipeline, leveraging Apache Spark, Apache Trino, and ClickHouse to ensure high performance and scalability everywhere. Within the Synergy AI is our fully integrated AI platform that brings intelligence into the data workflows. First, the model registry and the governance that centralizes all the AI models and the machine learning models that we have to track their versions, their audit trail, to make sure that you are utilizing, you always know which model is used where and why. Next, you may tap into more than 150 prepared models that are proprietary to Presight that we have fine-tuned and trained over the years for different use cases you may consider, spanning computer vision, natural language processing, prediction models, etc. These models are ready to use and let you jump straight into solving real problems. With LLM integration and RAG framework, as all other companies, you may tap into different number of LLM models seamlessly, okay? Or you may consider connecting with a sovereign inferencing system like our Core 42 Compass platform that have access to over hundreds of machine learning models, even the Arabic large language models like GIS and NOR coming from TII. We are supporting all of these capabilities. Needless to mention the capability related to the inferencing and batch processing, which is to augment the machine learning models with more capabilities, especially for high-performance use cases. Finally, the agentic AI framework, which is, I've heard this agentic and the AI agents today maybe a million times, which empowers organizations to build autonomous agents and that could plan, reason, even execute multi-step tasks autonomously, like pushing an alert or triggering an alert or updating a dashboard. The Synergy BI, this layer transforms the processed and AI-enriched data into actionable insights. For this one, considering the platform modular design, you may be using this built-in capability to visualize any type of data, or alternatively, you might plug in a third-party BI tool like Tableau or Power BI. The capabilities here are massive, ranges from custom dashboards, no heavy coding is required. You may tap into different like chart types with interactive filters and drill downs, global search and profiling that provides a single search interface that could sift through all the ingested and processed data using full text metadata and sentiment analysis, as well as doing the entity and data profiling automatically and out of the box. The geospatial and the relationship analysis are key, simply if you want to map and render location-based data on a map, 2D, 3D, or even digital twin for the simulation. The relationship analysis, connecting the entities and the relationships for, let's say, deep exploration of complex networks. The ruling engine and alerting allows users to create and to manage their rules and their triggers. It could be on a weekly basis, daily basis, hourly basis, or event-driven. That could be used to push alerts or even refreshing a dashboard automatically. The workspace collaboration, it is the place where all roles within the platforms, be it a data engineer, a BI specialist, an end user, they can collaboratively work together to co-develop those dashboards or do anything or share content seamlessly and securely, for sure. Role-based access is critical to ensure that every user is accessing only the data and the information they are allowed to access. This is the common component that we talked about. It's simply the component that locks the data and ensures compliancy, as well as restricting any risks in terms of accessibility. It has row-level access, fine-grained classification, single sign-on to simplify the authentication, activity logs and audit to capture every user activity in the system. AI governance is crucial to make sure that we do have like models that are unbiased, the explainability level is high, and to enforce and even to promote the transparent and responsible AI as much as possible. We are doing this AI governance in partnership with our sister company Inception to make sure that whatever LLM models we are using, be it off the shelf or custom or pre-trained, that is used to the full extent. And it's trusted by the users. This diagram simply the summary of what we talked about here, the three key pillars and the security. Starting with the left side, making sure that this platform handles all types of data, structured and unstructured, an image, a text, a video, an audio. The journey starts with the synergy data, where it ingests the data, cleans the data, models the data, explores the data, and then it pushes it over to the synergy AI, where it does the enrichment for the AI, be it on a machine learning model or an LLM or any model the client chooses. Once we have the enrichment and the contextualization on the data, it's pushed to the third pillar that could visualize the processed and enriched data on a dashboard, on a graph, on a map, or even a chatbot. This is all governed by, as we said, a unified security framework. This is one of the synergy experiences we have, some of the snapshots to illustrate the data orchestration and the workflows all the way up to the visualization on a dashboard or even some simulation about some ML models. Now, for sure, we're going to be having more and more demos on need basis. We are sitting there in front of the entrance for anyone who's interested to get more insights about synergy. If they'd like even to have tailored POC or tailored demo, we are more than happy to support in that aspect. The industrial use cases, assuming that the platform is a market agnostic platform, which means that it can accommodate any types of use cases for any industry, empowering different sectors, public services, energy, utilities, finance, smart cities. For example, within the finance domain, Presight Synergy has developed and implemented and delivered for the government here in UAE or their financial audit for the Accountability Authority and UAE Authority. The same goes for the financial crimes, for the AML and the CTF. Credit risk scoring, real-time transaction, and different like screening services for the bank, like compliance screening, transaction screening, and different to be proposed. Within the smart cities, the same story. We have IoT sensors integration, traffic control, video intelligence everywhere on different use cases. Now, our philosophy within Presight is simple. We don't just give a client the platform, the product, and then we go start collecting their requirements and then map them into technical specs and then have them delivered iteratively. No, we try to take like an applied intelligence approach, which means that we need to go there. We need to sit with them, set up a boot camp, and better understand their vision about AI. We have done multiple, in multiple occasions where we crafted a data strategy around their data, around their insights, what they are expecting out of their data, even the use cases. Whatever we do out of data in terms of strategy, we can reflect it as an implementation on the governance, on the security aspects, the types of data they are expecting to implement those use cases. The AI strategy, the same story. We need to make sure that that sector or that customer is ripe for AI. Their use cases is equivalent. We help our customers in even defining the use cases over the years, and with the support of our R&D team and different sister companies within the group, we have ended up with something called the AI Use Cases Bank, where we could proactively propose different use cases for different sectors so that they could really be more interested. Not even that, our data scientists can even propose and recommend if some of the AI use cases are really good to invest in or it's not really worth it. Within the analytics, we do the same story. We can have whatever analytics we do on top of a dashboard, on top of a mobile device, a command center, or digital humans like the one that we presented in our booth. We do have flexible deployment options as others. We support on-prem, we support on-cloud, we support also hybrid. This is to align with the customer sovereign data and the scalability of the data, as well as the operational efficiencies. Some of them might go for complete on-prem, others might go for complete cloud or in between. Even the on-prem, it might have different flavors. It might be just a private cloud, or it must be or it might be a complete air-gapped environment. Now, within Presight, when we put together this platform, we really wanted to quantify and measure the benefits we are getting out of it. And as a single vendor, and we are providing an end-to-end solution here, this is why we are getting these kind of metrics. We truly believe that the platform can save 50% of the development cycle. This is due to the built-in capabilities and the AI assistants that have been built on top of each pillar we have mentioned. Not only that, we could reduce the software coding for whatever use cases we have been doing by 30%. This is, again, due to the low-code environment setup. Accordingly, the professional services spend will be reduced by 50%. We have simulated this in different occasions, and it turned out that it does reduce and optimize the overall spending. Last but not least, talking about 30 seconds. Synergy editions. Now, within Synergy, we really wanted to keep it simple and straightforward. At the same time, considering the fierce competition in the market for different platforms serving the same thing, talking about big names here like Palantir, Microsoft, Cloudera, DataIQ, and all these big names. We said, let's simplify it. It's only 2 editions. It's Enterprise Edition that has the full-fledged services and the features that we have developed. And we wanted to introduce the unlimited concept. Unlike others, we go for unlimited ATL pipelines, unlimited data stores, unlimited BI users, even unlimited compute nodes, how many servers, how many nodes, how many environments if we need to go for dev stage test production environments. We don't care about how many setups you have. We just care about one and only one parameter that contributes to the overall pricing model, which is the data volume. Data volume is the key part to have the proper sizing for you as a customer. Nevertheless, we also introduced the custom edition. Custom edition, it's for customers who require extensive and extreme customization on the workflows, on the APIs, on the handlers. The same story, the price that we really wanted to have when we compared it to other key players, it's significantly lower than the benchmarked market rates. Okay. Yeah, so in closing, I finished on time. In closing, I just want to say that AI is no longer a niche experiment. It's essential for any enterprise that seek, uplift in their operations, in their business, and their strategies. Thank you very much.